The landscape of professional imaging is currently trembling under the weight of a monumental shift as we stand at the epicenter of a leak cycle that is poised to redefine the limits of the full-frame format. For those who demand nothing less than visual perfection, the whispers emerging this May 2026 regarding the Sony A7R VI are not merely rumors. They are a declaration of war against the status quo of resolution. We are venturing into a territory where the boundary between digital capture and organic reality becomes indistinguishable, entering an era dominated by a machine that promises to render the world with a surgical precision never before seen in a mirrorless body. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. If you have been waiting for the one camera to justify a total system overhaul, the intelligence we've gathered suggests your patience is about to be rewarded with a masterpiece of silicon and glass. The architectural foundation of the Sony A7R VI is rumored to be a staggering 95-megapixel exmor or BSI CMOS sensor. However, the true innovation lies not just in the pixel count, but in the radical implementation of a stacked design that utilizes a new quantum dot filtration layer. This technology is leaked to provide a color depth and tonal transition that mimics 16-bit medium format output. Industry insiders suggest that Sony has finally solved the signal-to-noise ratio issues that typically plague high-density sensors, allowing this 95-megapixel behemoth to maintain a clean image up to native ISO 12,800. This is a game-changer for commercial and architectural photographers who need to crop into a frame without losing the tactile texture of their subject. When you combine this with the rumored Bion's XR2 Plus processor, a chip designed with a dedicated 4nm architecture, the A7R VI becomes a computational powerhouse capable of processing nearly a gigapixel of data every second. Regarding the financial commitment, the leaked pricing structures indicate a strategic positioning by Sony at $4,499. This price point is a deliberate masterstroke. By keeping the body under the $5,000 threshold, Sony is effectively cannibalizing the entry-level medium format market, offering superior speed and lens versatility at a fraction of the cost. The leaks suggest that pre-orders will likely go live in late Q3 of 2026, with shipments prioritizing professional pro support members first. This pricing reflects the inclusion of a revolutionary active cooling system. Unlike previous iterations, the A7R VI is rumored to feature a whisper-quiet internal fan coupled with a vapor chamber heat sink, allowing it to record 8K 60p video in 4:2 to 210-bit internally for over 2 hours without a single thermal warning. This effectively transforms the resolution line from a purely stills-focused tool into a formidable high-end cinema hybrid. The most provocative aspect of the May leaks involves the artificial intelligence processing unit Gen 2. This is no longer just about tracking eyes. It is about intent recognition. This new AI core is rumored to analyze the movement of subjects within the frame to predict the peak of an action sequence. For example, if you're shooting a tennis match, the camera recognizes the swing of the racket and preemptively increases its focus polling rate to ensure the ball is in razor-sharp focus at the moment of impact. This predictive focus technology is expected to include a database of over 1,000 specific animal species and 500 different types of mechanical vehicles. It's a level of autonomy that allows the creator to focus entirely on the emotional narrative of the shot, while the camera acts as a high-precision digital scout, locking onto targets with a tenacity that borders on the supernatural. Physically, the A7R VI is leaked to be a ruggedized evolution of the A7R V. The chassis is rumored to be constructed from a new high-rigidity magnesium-titanium alloy, providing a chassis that is both lighter and significantly more durable than its predecessors. The electronic viewfinder, EVF, is reportedly a 9.44 million OLED panel with a staggering 240 Hz refresh rate, virtually eliminating lag and making the transition from optical viewfinders feel seamless. Furthermore, the rumors point toward a new smart grip technology where the camera can. Sense the pressure of the user's hand and automatically adjust the sensitivity of the dials or activate specific custom menus based on how you are holding the device. It is an ergonomic revolution that turns the camera into a responsive partner rather than a static tool. As we look deeper into the professional workflow, the inclusion of dual CFX Type B slots is a massive shift from the previous type, a /SD hybrid design. This move is essential to support the rumored 15 frames per second burst rate in uncompressed 14-bit RAW. For those who work in fast-paced environments, this means the buffer is essentially bottomless. You can hold the shutter down for a full minute of 95 megapixel action, and the camera would keep up without a stutter. This data throughput also enables the leaked multi-shot shift mode, which can reportedly stitch together a 400 megapixel imaging camera, eliminating the need for external software processing. This feature alone will make the A7R VI the undisputed king of the studio, offering a level of detail that is quite literally beyond the capability of the human eye to perceive at a standard viewing distance. In the realm of cinematography, the A7R VI is rumored to introduce a global shutter-like readout speed through its advanced sensor circuitry. While not a true global shutter, the readout is leaked to be fast enough to virtually eliminate rolling shutter distortion, even when panning rapidly at 8K resolution. This is paired with a new 16-stop S/log4 gamma curve, providing a dynamic range that matches Sony's high-end Venice cinema cameras. This means highlights are preserved with a natural roll-off and shadows retain a richness that allows for aggressive color grading in post-production. The rumors also hint at a digital cine lens interface that allows the camera to communicate with PL mount lenses via an adapter to provide full metadata and electronic iris control, bridging the gap between mirrorless convenience and cinema standard optics.